because when you are out tomorrow, all that's coming here.
Yeah, there's a lot of weather heading our way, Mike Whatcom.
Yeah, a lot of wind and a lot of rain with this one. And surprisingly, as cold as it's been, we are actually going to be warming up enough that it's a rain event and possibly even a rumble of thunder with the whole thing. Now, the downpours are going to be slowing some travel tomorrow, especially in the late part of the commute into the early afternoon. And wind gusts tomorrow, 60 miles an hour. Biggest wind gusts, I think, will be from about 6 a.m. till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but it'll stay windy all the way through tomorrow night. So tonight, we're going to see a few scattered showers, but that's not really the main event. The main event shows up tomorrow. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. The rain is moving in. It gets heavy during the morning, downpours around lunchtime, and then it'll continue to push its way through. So by the time we get to about sunset, most of the rain has moved offshore, and the colder air is starting to move in from the west. And with just a little residual moisture, we might actually see a few snow showers out in western Mass, maybe even getting into central Mass. And then the whole thing moves on out of here, and the cold air settles in tomorrow night. So watch out. There might be a little black ice tomorrow night. We're talking about a storm that can give us a ½ inch to an inch of rain across the area, but it will be all in the form of rain. But I think wind is our biggest concern. Inland, it's a wind advisory. Down toward the Cape, the south coastal faces, and along the coast, we're looking at a high wind warning, which means the potential is out there for wind gusts to get to 65 miles an hour. That warning goes into effect tomorrow at 6 a.m. and it goes until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Right now, you see the temperatures are cool, but Boston's now starting to go up 2 degrees in the last hour. But look at as you travel to the south, already the 50s showing up. Overnight tonight, the temperature is not going to go down. It's going to go up and warming us up by the time you get to tomorrow morning. So we'll go from about 38 to 50 in the morning. A few showers out there tonight, but not really much going on. Rising temperatures, but it will start to get windy. Winds out of the south at 15 to 30, and the gusts get strong tomorrow morning. Speaking of tomorrow, it's wind and rain, downpours at times, and along with that, the temperatures will be falling during the afternoon. High temperatures tomorrow, right around 60 degrees, but remember those wind gusts are going to be very strong out of the south for us for tomorrow. And if you look at tomorrow, you'll see that we have warm temperatures till about lunchtime, and then they start to fall off during the afternoon. It's not a flash freeze, but it will be getting cold tomorrow night, and some of that moisture that's kind of laying out there, it may freeze up. So be careful. As I mentioned, there may be some black ice that could form. So this is the rainmaker that comes through. Behind it, it gets cold. Then we stay cold for Saturday, but on Sunday, we actually warm back up again to get ready for another blast of cold air on Monday. And that transition, once again, we could see a little bit of light mixture as we talk about Sunday afternoon. But right now, it looks like it'll be warm enough. Again, it would mainly be in the form of some rain showers with maybe a few wet snowflakes mixed in. So tomorrow, an alert day because of that heavy rain and wind out there. And then colder temperatures on your Saturday. Much colder, in fact, with windy conditions. We'll warm it up enough on Sunday that any passing shower would be more than likely in the form of some rain. And then another blast of cold air hits us on Monday. And those of you who are looking for maybe a white Christmas, Tuesday's your best chance, and it's not a great chance. There may be a little bit of light snow or light rain coming in here, and then we'll slowly warm it up as we head for Christmas Day.